Hello guys, welcome back to another video of TX360. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how to enable disable on-screen keyboard on Windows 10 or 11. So for that, at first just click on your type here to search bar and search for on-screen keyboard. Here you can see this your on-screen keyboard. Just click on here, open file location. Now after that, here you can see on screen keyboard, you can just right click on it. You can right click on it and open it, or you can just double click and open it. And here you can see the on screen keyboard is here. So guys, that's how you can enable or disable on screen keyboard on your PC. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.